Good afternoon, everyone. We are out here at 16251 Ygnacio Serra Drive out in Russell Bayou subdivision on Intra-Coastal Island. So Pensacola, Florida here. Inside, you are going to see a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, just over 2,200 square feet. So let's take you guys inside today. As I just showed you a pan of the porch area here, you are going to have high ceilings throughout, gorgeous natural lighting. So let's get you guys inside. A tiled foyer as you enter. And then here we are into the main living space. So let me show you guys these ceilings. Those are going to be gorgeous skylights up there. And then you will have tray ceiling details all throughout this home. It is truly so unique by design, and I can't wait to get into it. So again, this is going to be the view of your living room. Behind that partition wall is going to be the kitchen. And then to the right here, you do see you've got 2 French doors that will lead into the formal dining space, or at least that is what the current owners are using it for. And there's that gorgeous arched window that we saw on the front porch upon entry. So hardwood floors as well in this main area, and then everything else is either carpeted or tiled. As you can see, you do have a fireplace back there. It is gas applicable, but it is not currently hooked up for gas, if that makes sense. And then here in these little pockets, those 2 pottery vases and the sun, these will actually convey with the home. They're very nice pieces, so I think it's going to make for an interesting touch. So coming to the left off the foyer upon the entry, we are going to have what is dubbed as our first bedroom here. It is currently being used as an office, but as you can see, you do have your inlet window there. And then you also have your drawer doors for your closet here. Hardwood floors in this room. And then even, guys, with the detail of the lighting at top, as you can see. And then, of course, crown molding is going to be throughout as well. Again, showing you guys that beautiful window. That is going to be a view from the front yard. And then here, this closet is going to be a coat closet to my left. And then continuing on, we come across our first full bathroom here. So you do have a built-in tub shower duo, but it is going to be a nice tiled duo there. So that is nice. You get some gorgeous granite countertops there with that undermount sink, and then some heavy lighting, vanity lighting there. Behind this door is going to be your linen closet, so you do have extra space for storage, which is very nice. And that bathroom is also going to have some vaulted ceilings there. Like I said, you get height in this house, which I think is a very common trend right now that people are looking for. So here we are walking into what is the in-suite or the in-law suite, if you will. So you do have private access to the outdoor screened-in porch, your own bathroom, and of course your closet there. So nice natural lighting throughout, and then again with the ceiling detail, we do get gorgeous tray ceilings here. Double tray actually. So coming through here, this is going to be sliding access to the screened-in porch as well as door access. So here we are in their bathroom. Again, same tub shower duo here. And then you have the matching granite with the undermount sink and vanity lighting. And then there's going to be the door that will also access out to the patio. And I'll just show you guys. Oh, excuse me, this is just a shower only. So let's see. Shower only in here, no tub, just a shower. Perfect. And then tiled floors in the bathroom, and then carpet in this bedroom. So as I take you guys to the other wing of the house, it is important to note that the roof was replaced after Hurricane Sally, so it is only 4 years old. The water heater was replaced last year, so 2023, so that's only barely a year old. And the HVAC is encroaching on 9 years, but is still heavily maintained. And then also this home is on a full house Generac, and it has a full home dehumidifier. So that is extremely nice to have, especially with this Florida humidity. So this is just, you get everything here in this home, full sprinkler system and underground utilities as well. So we'll get into more of that later. So now, as you saw, I walked through the living space and we are in the kitchen area now. So I just walked you through a little breakfast nook. You do have this utility bar right here. You could turn this into a coffee bar, an actual bar, or keep it as a little desk for storage if you'd like. Nice granite countertops here with the breakfast bar on the end for additional seating. You do have gas stove top, built-in microwave, and then I love a wall oven as well. That is just extremely convenient. You got your undermount sink there, which you could make into a farm sink if you would like. And then your double door fridge with the pull drawer freezer underneath. And then, of course, I've got to show you guys the ceiling detail. So vaulted ceiling here with recessed lighting, and then that skylight as well. But you still have your ceiling fan if that's something you're interested in. So let me just show you guys. Gorgeous sunny day outside. Beautiful. I think that's just such a refreshing accent to have throughout the house, so it's not just based on artificial lighting. Gorgeous backsplash, so that's going to be the partition wall that blocks you off from the living area. And then you do have cabinet lights undermount as well. So gorgeous space. Let me see if I can get you guys a good shot up here. So there's that screened-in patio, which we'll go see momentarily. Separate door that's going to be parallel to the in-law suite that I just showed you guys. And then just look at that gorgeous breakfast nook looking out to your backyard. So stunning. I love all the windows in this home. All right, continuing on. There's your pantry, of course. So coming out here, to my right is going to be the dining room that I showed you guys already in the living space, just so you can get your bearings. And then here is going to be your laundry room as well as your entry to the garage. So in the laundry room, you will have a utility sink in there. And then in the garage itself, you actually do have a pull down attic space. So the steps will pull down, and then it is floored, so you can have your attic be functional for additional storage. And then you also have a storage nook in your garage that does have plumbing going to it. So if you'd like to put another utility sink out in your garage or potentially a half bath, you do have the plumbing already set up to do so. Okay, so the coup de grace here, we are in the primary suite. So this one is, gosh, so beautiful. Again, high ceiling detail with all the windows. You get this gorgeous detailed tray ceiling here, and then this built-in behind the bed is something I have never seen before, but I love it. So this is like almost like a built-in headboard, or I guess that's exactly what it is. And it does fit a California king perfectly, as you can see. And then you do get your own private access out to your backyard from the primary, which we will go through a bit later. And then I'll show you guys the bathroom here. So carpeted floor in the primary, just like the previous bedroom. And then you will come into tiled floors once we get into the bath. So that towel rack is actually heated. So that'll warm up your towels for you, whether you're coming out of your bath or shower. You got this gorgeous jetted bathtub here. And look at the tiling details, you guys. Let's get up close here. So you got that gold flecks as the squares, and then you get this gorgeous tile, and then look at the flooring here in your shower. So beautiful. And I love that it's just a privacy wall. And then you have your built-ins over on this side. Stunning, stunning shower. And these handles, both in the shower and on the tub, are ADA, so they are fully mounted into the wall. It's not just surface level, so you get full-blown support when it comes to those handles in both the bathrooms and the showers. So here we are, we've got a double vanity here, loving the granite that they chose. Both sinks are undermounted. You've got that center pile for your storage right there. And then you've got under sink storage as well. Set of vanity lighting on each side. And of course, gotta show you, do have a skylight in here, as well as the undermount lighting. So I'll show you guys on this side. So recessed lighting there, and then mounted on that top is going to be more lights. So there you are. I love it, just extremely contemporary, in my opinion. Extra storage back here, and then you will have a water closet in there. Again, lovely frosted window for privacy. So beautiful. And the house throughout does have pocket doors, so you will see that. That's a common theme, just like your master closet right there. So through there is going to be your walk-in closet area. But let's not make you guys wait any longer. I definitely do want to take you guys outside in the backyard because although it is not privacy fenced, they have so much beautiful green out there that you just feel like you're in your own kind of little oasis. So let's show you guys the back porch here. So the owners did screen this in themselves, or had someone do it for them, obviously, but it was not screened in from the previous owners, so they decided to screen it in, which I think is a lovely touch. So you do have that door access here, and it is worthy to note that behind those doors right there, or that little dresser, chest of drawers, you do have a gas applique. So if you wanted to hook up a grill or have something there, it is applicable. And the sun came out just in time to show you guys this beautiful backyard. Do have an oak tree back here. And then of course you've got the concrete and bricked patio. And there is going to be your entry to the primary suite. So let's see if I can back up. All right. Give you guys a good scan here. So you can even see on the roof, you guys, all of the skylights up there and the window detailing throughout the home. There was a lot of thought that went behind this, and the current owners have done such a wonderful job of maintaining it all. It is truly just gorgeous to see inside. And again, we are at 16251 Ygnacio Serra Drive, out in Russell Bayou subdivision, and we would love for you guys to come scoop this one up. This one's not going to last long. I have a feeling it is stunning, so we would love for you guys to come see it.